In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the workshop on Steam. Steam's workshop is a wonderful place where you can find a vast array of mods and other content that enhances your gaming experience. Whether you're new to Steam or just haven't explored the workshop yet, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First off, let's get started by opening your Steam application. If you don't have Steam installed on your computer yet, you'll need to download it from the official Steam website. Once you have it open, you'll see options to either create a new account or log into an existing one. Go ahead and click on the login button to proceed. Entering your account name and password is the next step. Be sure to enter them correctly to avoid any hassle. If you've forgotten your password, there's an option to recover it, so don't worry too much. Once you're all set with your credentials, you'll want to click on the Sign In button to access your Steam account. Now that you're logged in, you should find yourself on the Steam homepage. Here, you can navigate to the library section. This is where all the games you own are listed. Take a moment to scroll through and get familiar with your collection if you aren't already. Next, you'll want to select a game from your library. It's important to note that not every game on Steam supports the workshop. Check to ensure that the game you're interested in has workshop support. This capability is typically indicated on the games page or within the game's details in your library. If you're unsure, a quick way to find out is by selecting the game and seeing if the workshop option appears. Once you've confirmed that the game supports workshop, look for the workshop button. Click on it, and this will redirect you to the workshop page for that particular game. Here, you'll discover a wide range of mods and items created by users just like you from all over the world. You can browse through the collections, see what's popular, or search for specific types of content that may enhance your gameplay. That's all there is to it. You are now ready to delve into a world of customized experiences and creative additions that other players have made available. Enjoy exploring the possibilities and enhancing your gaming sessions with these user-generated mods. If you ever want to explore other games workshops, just repeat these steps. Have fun and happy gaming.